All right, so I wanted to show you all how to use this lovely resource. I tried on AI.com. So if you are going to be logging in for the first time or trying the product for the first time, make sure that you use the code check the KB, like knowledge base. Check the KB in all caps, and I think that will give you a discount. Or you can follow the link that is attached to this video, but I wanted to show you all around the website because it can be a little bit overwhelming if you haven't used it before. So first and foremost, you have the Express AI um, product where you can get, by the way, I'm not affiliated with this company at all. They're going to owe me after this. But you can create photo shoots for $35. You upload several photos of yourself, and then it spits out quite a few. I want to say 100, but don't quote me, but it will give you several photos. Now, what you put in impacts what you get out. So make sure that you're uploading pictures that meet the upload requirements, like making sure that it's a clear picture of your face. It doesn't have to be professional. They can be selfies, but just make sure that they're clear. Make sure that your whole face is in it. Make sure that the lighting is good. And so they require that you upload a minimum of 7 pictures, but you can do as many as 20. So my recommendation is to do 20 photos. The more photos you put into the system, the more likely it is that AI will be able to put better pictures together for you. So, for example, you can see here, these are photo shoots that I've done. I have put in pictures, and then I can show you all some of my results. So like that doesn't look like me. That doesn't look like me. I would not wear that hairstyle. This doesn't look like me. Okay. So then you go through them and you can delete the ones that do not look like you. I didn't love a lot of them from this shoot. That's a skinny version of me. Um, I don't think that looks like me, but I might be able to do something with that. Okay. So I'm going to leave these here. So that's one shoot. Let's see this spring. I think that might be the same one. I think also like this looks exactly like me. So I think if you heart it, it will it will cause the program to recognize your face in the future. So that looks exactly like me. That looks exactly like me. This does not look like me. Now, I did not um, do these outfit changes. This is a part of the program. So it will change your outfit. It changes everything. So you tell it what kinds of photos that you want. You can let it know if you need headshots, full body shots, and it'll do that for you. Just to put things into perspective, the very first time that I used the service, I did not understand the service. And so, yeah, these don't look like me at all. So this was my very first one. This was my very first one. So obviously I did not put in the appropriate input to get the output that I desired. So you do have to know how to use the system so that the output matches the input. Okay. So this was my first shoot. I think I may have uploaded the minimum number of photos, and this is what it gave me back. These are awful. Okay. Um, I will show you all another shoot I did for my mom. I did two, actually, my mom is just super pretty, so hers came out great. So these are my mom's. She is so pretty. Um, but most of hers are usable. Like she uses these, but that's my mom. And then over here on the left-hand side, you have Creative Studio. So Creative Studio, it says here is $37 per month. Is that true? All right. I don't know. I think I paid $19. But it's $37 per month. And with Creative Studio, you get to do 2 photo shoots and you get to train your AI model so the pictures look more like you. So this was my first shoot in Creative Studio, and all I did was I paid the monthly fee and then I canceled the membership so that it doesn't renew because I don't need a gazillion pictures. So this is Creative Studio. Creative Studio has more customization features. You can tell it to do you Hollywood, vocational, ID card, real estate, business office, casual studio, speaker. So if you've seen some of mine, I do teach and train, so I wanted some of those. Here's the full body shot that you can use. There, you've got neon lights, pink headshots, florals, timeless, beauty, color pop, casual studio, casual outdoors, business outdoors. Okay. So you have all of those. And where are my images? Uh-oh. Oh, I'm being impatient. It's the computer's thinking. So I will go back in here and just wait for the images to populate. You can also go into this custom tab and you can say a portrait of me. I do this. This is what I do. You can do a portrait of me, red lipstick, black suit or black dress, red pumps, wedding ring, one nose ring, one nose ring, and city background. You can do that, but I don't have any credits left. I want to show you all. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Technology is going to technology. It always works when you don't need it. It never works when you do need it. Let's try Safari. I don't know why that isn't loading. All right, so let's go to Creative Studio. So this is the first one I did. Is it going to pull up my images? I'll tell you what I will do. I will put the link to this in the chat. Where are they? But you see here, brown eyes, 42 years old, brown skin, locks hair. So you can customize what you put in here. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll put the link to my shoots in the chat. Uh-oh. And then I will let you all just take a look at it that way. Okay, so here we go. So it's the creative, what is it called? Creative Studio. As you can see, the pictures look more like me because I was able to train my AI model. So this is the one where I said red lipstick, red pumps, black dress. This one right here, I put in wedding ring, black dress, red lipstick, and beach background. This is by far my absolute favorite, by far. Um, so you're able to create more photos, more more photos, more shoots with the Creative Studio. Again, I recommend if you use it. I'm not into monthly bills, um, but I recommend canceling it once you have gotten everything that you need from it. This one is very pretty. That one's pretty. Uh, so, so yeah, that looks exactly like me. I don't know how I'm going to use that with my arms up like that. But anyway, so this is just a tour of Try It On AI. I haven't used any of the other features. They do have videos if you need to know how to use Creative Studio. Their customer service is actually great. So if you reach out to them with your feedback, they do a good job. They're very responsive. And then, of course, you can purchase credits. I'm going to put the link to get you a 10% reward. So I will share that. I'll share that, and the code is check the KB. Okay. All right, y'all have a good day. My name is Tori Easterlin, aka Real Estate Tori. I can be reached for all your real estate needs at 770-820-3639 or by email at Tori, Tori, at realestatetori.com. You all have a good day.